Go big. Oh.
What do you got there? Can your daddy see? You're making Play-Doh stampers.
Nice. Here. Nice.
Well, we're making it right now, so do some more stuff. We're making a video right now with Sawyer. Can you play with your Play-Doh, and then we'll watch it back. Yeah. What are you doing? Are you making a foot stamp? Sawyer, can you wave hi?
Hi.
Oh no, you dropped one. Let's cut some Play-Doh. Oh, make a Mickey Mouse.
No, Mickey Mouse is broken.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
It just wasn't in there all the way. Watch Daddy. Put it in. Now close it. Now you'll make a Mickey Mouse. Yeah, see, he wasn't broken. He just wasn't in there all the way. Can you show it to the camera? Let me see. Okay. The other side, the other side. Put it on the other side. There it is. What'd you think of that? We'll show it to you in a minute.
So look, that can sit down. Do this.
Yeah. No, not so close. Okay, so how about right there? Now let's move your hands. What have you got? Oh, it's Mickey Mouse.
Mickey.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Okay.